y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a Grimace shake. Okay, so the first thing that you need to start with is your blender. You need 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream. About 2 scoops of blueberries, 2 spoonfuls of strawberry jam, and a cup of milk. Okay, so the main thing for this shake is that it turned purple, and it did. So I'm going to top it with some whipped topping. And for the finish, we're going to put some very, very cute pink and purple sprinkles. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.